Watch till the end to know its solution. Let us solve it. First of all, we write the given trigonometric equation, which is tan theta is equals to what? Tan alpha, right? Take these both terms in left hand side, and thus we get what? And first we should convert it into sine and cos. So we write here sine theta by cos theta, and this is equals to sine alpha by cos alpha. Okay. Now we multiply, cross multiply, and thus we get here sine theta into cos alpha, and this is equals to sine alpha into cos theta. Okay, now take the two terms in left hand side, then we get here sine theta into cos alpha minus sine alpha into cos theta, and this is equals to what? 0. Okay. We know that a formula sin A minus B. Sin A minus B equals to sin A into cos B. Sin A minus B equals to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Right. By using this formula, we can convert it into sin theta minus alpha, and this is equals to what? 0. Okay. Now we know that if sine theta equals to 0, then its general solution is theta equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Therefore, we can write theta minus alpha equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. Right. Therefore, theta must be equals to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. And this is the required general solution of given trigonometric equation. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.